This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Crystal Cowell. Tucked in the river valley, nestled between the Ozark Mountains and the Ouachita Mountains lays this amazing 4-bedroom 3-bathroom home on 20 very private beautiful acres. This home has had many new renovations, including a new kitchen that has custom granite countertops and custom cabinets brought in from Indiana made by very skilled Amish craftsmen. Downstairs has been converted into a second living area with a 4th bedroom and 3rd bathroom, could easily be used as a mother-in-law quarters. Outside the home, sellers have added a nice RV carport and a large stocked pond that's 12 feet deep. Also come enjoy your screened in back porch watching the many families of deer wander about. Don't miss out on your piece of paradise. Additional land available. For more information, review the details.